Alright, can't remember if this is this class or Algebra 1, but have we done something like that before, graphing?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait, not.
do you guys remember what this does to the graph?
Moves it over in a direction, left or
Moves
right.
it left 2, right?
Yeah, left 2,
And then down.
Down.
down 3. Yeah, yeah, so that's related to what we're doing today. So, today, they're gonna write the graphs in the form of, so do you guys remember what shape this made with the absolute value around the x?
Parabola,
No,
a V.
a V shape, yeah. What makes a parabola?
Is when it's squared. Like it has is it x squared?
Yeah, when x is squared. So, that's what we're doing today, something like this. So, a normal y equals x squared just goes, something like that, right? So, what will this one do you guys think?
Move it over 4.
It'll move it, no,
Like
Right 2.
just right to
Oh, wait, so you don't square the 2?
and up 1. Well, you do everything inside and then square, but
Oh,
it basically works out to just moving right 2 and up 1 still. Anyway, so it would be, the vertex would be right there, right? And then it would just go up normally from there. What do you think will happen if, let's say I put I should use symbols. If I put a number out there like a 3, what do you think will happen? We kind of talked about this yesterday.
it'll explode.
It'll be steeper.
It'll be steeper, right? Everything's going to
Oh,
go
that's
up
right, yeah.
3 times faster if you put it in front of the x, in front of the parentheses in this case. So it'll be the same vertex, but it'll just be, skinny. Go up fast. How do I make it go up slower?
Make it less than 2.
Less than 1.
Make it less than 1, multiply by half or something. What if I put a negative right there?
It's the same thing. It's down.
It goes down. Yeah, it might be about, what else you wrote for that? Okay, there is, yeah. Darn. It's kind of a mess today. There's kind of a second part of a lesson, but I don't want to do it yet. So let's start with 1 through 12, and maybe I'll talk to you guys at the end
What page are we on?
on page 245. Maybe I'll talk to you guys later about the second half.
Are we doing this all in graph paper?
You can. It's not all graphs. No, 1 through 6 is not graphs.
Are we not getting the house together?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and do the odds. Okay, on number 1, it says for each 245. For each function, state the vertex, whether the vertex is a max or min, the equation of the axis of symmetry, and whether the function's graph is steeper, flatter. So kind of the same as yesterday. So number 1, first question, where's the vertex at? Okay, how would that graph move from a normal y equals x squared?
It would go up 1. No, it would go right.
Right
6.
6
Oh,
up.
yeah.
Right 6 and up 1. So where would the vertex be if the whole thing moves right 6 and up 1?
6.
6, 1. So yeah, the first answer, don't leave that yet. Just 6, 1. is it a maximum or minimum point? So is this graph going to be opening up or down? Up. So is the vertex a minimum or a maximum? Minimum. It's going, if the graph is pointing up, that vertex will be at the bottom.
How do you tell if it's minimum or maximum again?
There's no
Negative in front of the x.
Oh yeah, if there's a positive on the x squared term. In this case, the x minus 6 in parentheses is, if you actually squared that out, it would give you the x squared, right? What was the next question? What's the axis of symmetry?
X equals 6.
Right. So the vertex is in the middle, so at 6, 1, it'll be over, over here at 6, 1. The axis of symmetry will just go right through that, and the x value tells you like the middle of the graph. So x equals 6. Those should always match, basically. Last question, is it steeper or flatter than normal, or is it the same as normal? Same. There's no number multiplied to the in front of the parentheses, so it'll be normal. So same.
Is that it?
Okay, number 3. Okay, where is the vertex?
It'd be 4, 7.
It's right 4 up 7. So it's at 4, 7. Okay, is the graph going to open up or down?
Down.
Down. So is the vertex a maximum or minimum?
Maximum.
Maximum. Where's the axis of symmetry?
X equals 4.
X equals 4. And is the graph steeper or flatter than normal? Steeper because the 3 in front makes it go down faster. 3 times faster. Okay, number 5. What's the vertex? What's the plus 3 halves? How does that make the graph move?
1.5 to the left.
Left 3 halves. And the plus 5 fourths goes up 5 fourths. So we left 3 halves, so that'd be like minus 3 halves, negative 3 halves to the left. And then up 5 fourths would be a positive 5 fourths. Alright. Is the graph opening up or down?
Opens up.
Opens up, so is the vertex maximum or minimum? What is the axis of symmetry?
X equals negative 3 over 2.
Is it a steep or flat graph? Flatter. 4/5 is less than 1. If it's improper, it's greater than 1, right? So, but it's not improper. Okay, when we're graphing these, this next problems are graphs. I want you guys to use 5 points to make the graph normally. So on number 7, where's the vertex going to be? Right 4 up 3. So the inside the parentheses is kind of the opposite. If it says negative 4, it's actually a right 4. And then outside the parentheses, it's what you guess up 3. So right 4 up 3, put 1 dot there. Now, is this graph going to open up or down?
Open up.
Oh. It's not gonna go kind of a normal pace. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose an x value close to my vertex. My vertex is at 4, 3. So I'm gonna choose an x value of 3 to see where that's gonna, now it should go right here because you're close to the vertex. We're close to the vertex and it's going up, so. But if I plug in 3 for x, what do I get for the function value? 3 minus 4 is -1, squared is +1, plus 3 is 4. So when I plug in 3 for x, I get 4 for the function value, which is the same as the y value. Those are interchangeable. So there's a dot at 3, 4. Because parabolas are symmetrical, I know that there's also going to be a dot at 6, 4, or 5, 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put a dot there.
How did you do that?
I plugged 3 in for the x and I got 4 to come out. So I would put a dot at 3, 4. Okay. Then we're going to plug in 2 for x and repeat. If I plug in 2, I'll get -2 squared is 4 plus 3 is 7. 2, 7, 1, 2,